Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as a mosquito and dress to impress. You're going to color the base of your skin just black here, and then I am going to select this camera first, and you'll see why in a minute. It's because when you're on the runway, it will like point the head down. Then we are going to go here. We're going to grab the hot dog costume, and we're going to again put this pattern. We're going to be using this pattern a lot, so keep that in mind. Select this, no ears, and then that. We also need VIP for this, so before you get mad at me, we do need VIP. And then also the mask in the same pattern. For the eyes, we're going to use this one in black. So just color that black like so. Looking like a mosquito already. For the VIP section, we do need these two wings. So we're going to just color everything in that pattern. You can make it animated, but it just makes the wings look really big. So I'm just going to keep it like this. But you can, obviously, but yeah. And then I am going to go to the codes area. We will need the mermaid's tail, and I'm going to color it brown. Maybe like a darker brown. Can I make it matte or not? No, I can't. So it's fine. I'll just make it this color. Or you can color it black. It's totally up to you. Then for the mosquito horn thing, you're going to get the unicorn horn and color that brown. Maybe a little bit darker, like almost a black color. I might change the color of the tail as well here. And that is it. You can use the like belly flop pose. Okay, I'll show it to you guys so you guys can see it a little bit better. And that is how you can create a mosquito and dress to impress. You can't really see it if it's belly flop because the kind of head goes down, but I promise when you walk in the runway, you're just going to look like a mosquito. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.